Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can get money from Remitly to your Gcash. It's a very easy thing to do. What you have to do first, go to remitly.com and log into your account. After logging in from the home page, you have to select a recipient country. Select if we are sending to Gcash, so we need to select Philippines as our recipient country. Then now select send money from here. Now enter the amount, how much you want to send. Then here you will see exact amount of what your recipient will get, and then select a delivery method. We will send to Gcash, so we have to select mobile money from here and select Gcash from here. Now select your payment method, then select continue. Now select your first name, then middle name, it's optional, then last name. Now select continue. Now enter your recipient phone number, which number has Gcash, and then select continue and follow the prompt to send money to from Remitly to Gcash. And that's it. That's how you can send money from Remitly to Gcash.